going to use a number 7 socket. We're going to remove these 2 screws right here. And then we're going to do the same on the passenger side. Now on the bottom portion of our grille, there's going to be 2 little tabs, little spring clips here that hold the bottom of the grille. There's one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. I'm going to go ahead and pull in the lower grille to release that. Go ahead and gently pull up on the grille. At this point, you want to go ahead and disconnect the marker light sockets. Grab the socket, twist counterclockwise. Go ahead and remove that bulb and do the same for the other side. Remove the grille. Using a number 5 Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 screws. Once you have those screws out, push your marker out, and remove it. Repeat for the other side. Let's go ahead and get this set up in place. Now on the bottom of our grille area here, we had released our inboard tabs. This also has outboard tabs. Ours is having to pop off nice and easy once we get the 2 inboard ones released. Let's go ahead and line up our grille. And we're just going to pull our bulbs through. Do this on both sides. Good, while looking through the top, go ahead and line up your metal tabs on both sides and push the lower portion of the grille into place. Go ahead and install your center screws. Just want to go ahead and snug these down. You don't want to over tighten them. Repeat on the driver's side. Install your bulb counterclockwise, put in the rear tabs. Go ahead and get the screw started by hand first. And we'll go ahead and snug those down. Repeat for the other side.